It wasn't just another Politburo meeting, it was a seismic moment in Zimbabwe's post-liberation political landscape. Sanapenda mashoko ari kuyachianalyze chinokonzi Chiwenga is very furious. Panguva ine zvinhu hazvisina kumira zvakanaka. Tokona maanalyst panapa epolitics vamwe vari based kuEngland vari kuti situation yavamo the ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa haisina kumira zvakanaka. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell kuti ipinda mubudani pamuchinzi. On 17 September 2025, within the confines of ZANU-PF's headquarters in Harare, as President Nkosazana Chiwenga laid down a gauntlet that sent shockwaves through the highest echelons of the ruling party. With a damning dossier in hand, he exposed what he described as a sprawling, corrosive network of corruption that threatens not only the integrity of the party, but its very survival. The storm that followed has come to be known as #Zvigananda-gate, a scandal that has marked the beginning of ZANU-PF's most serious internal reckoning since independence. The dossier presented by Chiwenga during a tense briefing before the Politburo meeting implicated a close circle of Mnangagwa-linked businessmen dubbed the Zviganandas in what he termed industrial-scale looting of public resources. These men, including Kudakwa Wikino Chivayo, Pwanya in Port Ngwarara, were accused of building empires on the back of the state-sanctioned corruption, using their wealth to manipulate internal party structures, fund Mnangagwa's covert 2030 presidential ambition, and drown the country's political process in ill-got riches. The accusation struck at the core of Mnangagwa's authority and legacy, although the president has repeatedly denied plans to remain in office beyond his constitutional limit in 2028. Chiwenga made it clear he no longer believed those denials. He pointed to the coordinated 2030 campaign being quietly advanced by the Zvigananda cartel as proof that Mnangagwa was positioning himself for a third term, something the constitution expressly prohibits. For Chiwenga, this wasn't just a breach of protocol, it was an existential threat to the party and the country's fragile democratic framework. As the clock ticks towards the October conference, Zimbabwe watches with bated breath. Zvigananda-gate is no longer just a scandal, it is a symbol of how deeply entrenched corruption has become and how far the party has drifted from its founding ethos. It is a story of betrayal of power and of what happens when revolutionaries become millionaires and forget the struggle that brought them to power. Mnangagwa may still sit on the throne, but Chiwenga now holds the moral cargo. In a party shaped by blood, ideology, and sacrifice, that cargo carries weight, and history in Zimbabwe has a habit of siding with those who claim to defend the revolutionary, not those who sell it. Mashoko aripo panguva ine maanalysts ari kuanalyze. Pinda comment section medu dzimafundo enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.